Alright, moving on. Ito yung finisher. Let's go. Hey! Ginanon eh. Wow! Angas, man. Let's go. There's a new bundle called Primordium. Bago na naman. Ngayon ko pa lang siya testing, guys. Ngayon ko pa lang siya titingnan. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita in-game, pero in-equip ko na siya. I'll start with this. Ito, pinaka-feeling ko pinaka-dulo pwede. Sige, sa blue tayo sa Phantom. And also, guys, may bagong Battle Pass. The main reason kung bakit sobrang halaga ng mga Battle Pass, guys, is yung Radiant points na binibigay lagi. It's time! Check natin yan. Game. Knife? Parang siyang Elder Flame pero dalawa. Okay, dalawang Elder Flame yung hawak niya. Nawawala yung apoy. Inspect natin. Hey! Hey! Wait! Parang bago yung animation na tumatakbo talaga yung dalawa. Usually, iiba, parang ganun yung movement. Ito, alright, it's time for the Vandal, man. Ooh. Hey! Hindi ko lang maipakita yung finisher because hindi pa din sa training eh. Phantom naman tayo. Oh! Katunog niya is Ruination? The shorty.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Alright, moving on. Ito yung finisher. Let's go. Hey! Ginanon eh. Wow! Angas, man. Let's go. Let's go for the Battle Pass. Shorty. Okay. No classic. Shellspar skin set, Aquatica, and Retro Wave. So yung tatlong yun yung skin line ng Battle Pass for this act. Ooh, ayos to Lotus Body ah. Wait, testing natin tong melee. Where's the new skin yun? Testing, testing. So, normal sword animation or axe animation yung Battle Pass melee. Kala ko ang animation is nanunusok ng stab. Ang angas ng player card, man. Tingnan niya ah. Solid yung Reyna, men. Reyna talagang Reyna. Talagang queen na queen yung dating niya. Same yung animation nung paghawak niya nung staff, no? Is parang sa sword lang din. Parang ang wizard nito, no? Ang angas ito, ah. The Phantom is normal.